What's up guys, it's Kyle from Color Expression, back with another swatch and review. I'm so excited to be partnering up with Cirque Colors today to look at their newest release, which is their 2022 Vice collection. We're getting 6 neon shades, it's 3 new ones and 3 re-released ones, so this is a collection that they release annually, and sometimes they have new shades, sometimes they bring old ones back, so I'm really excited to look at these with you guys because not only do they not need a white base coat, but they're also UV reactive, so they kind of light up in a black light or like a blue light, so we're gonna look at that too in the video. Sorry, I wanted to put those down because I totally kept clinking them. So for this collection, they're actually trialing out a wide brush. So the caps are a little bit different than usual. They're not the cream cap, they're just like a white cap, but they have a wide brush in there. So definitely grab one of these shades and try it out so you can give them your feedback. They're gonna be releasing surveys and listening to us because we're the ones that have said for so long, like, we want a wide brush, and they're finally trying it. So give your positive feedback if you like it. I personally, this collection was all 2 coaters for me, whereas their previous Vice shades have been 3 coaters with their old brush. So I don't know if that's just me, but I think that's pretty cool. These shades are available today and they're limited edition, so if you want to grab them, head over to the Cirque Colors website, link down below. You can pick those up, or I'll also link their like international, kind of link for international, because I know some of you guys are not in the US and you love Cirque too, so you should definitely be able to grab these shades and try out these wide brushes. They also just recently released a striping nail art brush, so in a video really soon we are going to try it out and play with it, but you can also grab that. It is $12.50 USD and it's just a teeny little, it's like a teeny little skinny, we'll do the guru thing. It's like a teeny little skinny. So it's cute. Of course, the Cirque formula is vegan and cruelty-free and non-toxic and 10-free and all the good stuff you want and really expect from a modern day nail polish, so they check all those boxes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video today. We're gonna head on to the swatches, but stick around afterwards for some more of my thoughts on this collection and like a little story time, I guess you could say. First up, we'll look at Socialite, which is a pretty bright pink cream nail polish. Like I mentioned, these ones are gonna have a new wide brush, so you can see on this first coat, the application is just immaculate. We're getting practically 1 coat coverage. The wide brush, I was able to just get it right all along my whole nail. We're coming in with a second coat, and I did do only 2 coats for this whole collection. They completely covered up my nail in 2 coats. I was very impressed with just the way that these worked. I feel like the Cirque formula really shined with this, or shone? I don't know. Either way, it was just a really nice experience using this formula with that wide brush. So I'm hopeful that we get to keep doing that in the future, but here we get that fluorescent light. These just, they light up. They're insane under this blue light, and I can't wait to be able to go out and do things again and wear these out in settings like that, because these are just gonna, you're gonna stand out, you're gonna look so freaking cool. These are amazing shades, and I think they did such a good job with each of the colors, and this UV thing is just it's an added bonus. It's so cool. Next up, we'll look at what I believe is my favorite out of this year's Vice collection. This one is Pyro, and this live swatch does not do it justice. You have to stick around for the full hand shot and the blue light shot. It's wild, it's insane. This one, I had it on my way to work the other morning, and there's road work, and this is literally the color of a bright neon traffic cone. It totally matched, and like I said, this live swatch isn't doing it. Wait like 3 more seconds. You're gonna see the power that this color has. It's so bright, it's so standout. Do you see that difference? Even in color correction, I couldn't get the live swatch to look this vibrant, this beautiful, and when you go into this mode with it, it's just mind-blowing. Honestly, I don't understand it. I think that more polishes need to have this added bonus. I think it's such a unique twist, and like I said, I just want to go bowling now. I want to go bowling with this set of nails. That's just what my heart is telling me to do. Does someone want to go bowling with me? Next we have Electric Daisy, which this was the only one of the re-releases that I previously had. So this one is a really bright neon yellow, and I know it kind of looks green, but if you look at it next to Cushy, which is the next one, which is a green, this one is so yellow. This is straight up highlighter yellow. It's neon. I'm wearing this vest to go running and not get hit by a car, yellow. Like, it's it's that bright yellow that you have definitely seen in person. So that contained in a nail polish, in a 2-coat nail polish with this brush, is just so cool to me. And over on Instagram in the next few days, I'm going to post a comparison, this shade wide brush versus skinny brush application, so you can go check that out. I'll have my Instagram linked below. But this one too, in that blue light, it just gets very bright. They turn into, like, it looks like little Christmas lights. Your nails just turn into Christmas lights. They light up. It's just really cool. And even without that UV effect happening, all these shades are still so beautiful and unique that I love this collection as a whole. Like I just said, up next is Cushy, which is the green neon of this collection. This one is a re-release, as well as Electric Daisy and Socialite. Those were all re-releases, but the other 3 are new this year, so very exciting that we got 3 new shades. But this one also was the original Cirque 420 polish, which I never owned. I did not wear nail polish when that released, so I was super excited when I saw that this was part of this year's Vice collection. I was like, oh my god, I can complete my little collection of 420 shades. But this one, again, was a 2-coater. It's super bright, but that live swatch doesn't capture the full brightness. These full hand shots just really show off what that color is going to look like in person. They're so bright. They're just really cool. And I know I've mentioned it a few times, but usually a neon polish needs a white base coat, and they're kind of jelly, like a jelly-like, so kind of translucent. But these ones are fully cream polishes. They're opaque with those 2 coats. They're just a really cool line of nail polishes. So I think that they're definitely worth checking out if any of these shades intrigue you, which how are, like, at least not one gonna intrigue you. Next up, we have Sky High, which is a pretty great movie, but also now a shade from Cirque Colors. So this one is a blue neon, and I wouldn't say this one is the most neon, but you're still getting a pretty bright and pigmented blue, and just the formula for this color makes it a better polish already. Just something about the way these are so creamy and they just go on super smoothly. They self-level so nicely. I'm obsessed with this wide brush. I'll never get enough of it. I hope that we don't lose it. It makes these polishes amazing. So I was just a big fan. I think I said that for every swatch, but hey, it's the truth. And if you're skipping around, now you know the brush was good. I will say this one had, as you can see, a bit less of an effect under the UV, but it almost became purple. So I thought that was kind of cool, that whatever pigment they're using to sort of make or have this blue, it goes a little bit of a maroony, like purple, but kind of also blue a little bit. I don't know. It was kind of weird. It's weird to describe, but you can see it on the camera right here. And I thought it was cool, so I enjoyed it. Finishing out today's collection with Guilty Pleasure. So this one is a bit of a magenta purple neon. So it's kind of purple, but you're getting a little bit of this pink effect. And this one looks kind of different under the UV, the blue light. So the first time I did that, I was like, oh, what shade do I have on? Which one is this? But in general, even in this normal lighting, I think this color is really pretty. I'm a sucker for purples. I always love a purple. And here, where it's that bit of a deeper look, this is what you're gonna see in person. I've had this one on for like 4 days now, and this is what it looks like. But look at that, like, who told it to be pink? Like, what? This is, that blew me away. And I think that difference, that crazy difference, makes this one my second favorite. Because if you are ever out and you're in a setting where there's going to be UV or black light, your nails are going to actually change, and you're going to be cool. You're going to be like, wow, that was really cool. New setting, same question. Now that we have seen the shades in this video, I want to hear your thoughts on them. So let me know down below in a comment which one was your favorite, which ones are you picking up, and what do you think of the whole like fluorescent UV aspect of these shades? I think that it is so cool. I love that part of them. It makes them so unique in my opinion. Like, even just this without UV, like, what is this? It's so cool. I love this collection. I think they're so fun. So really, you should grab just your favorite, at least, like just one of them, if not all of them, because they're limited edition. You don't know if they're coming back, and they're such a great addition to a collection that I don't see any reason to skip out on them, you guys. Also, you need, if you like me, you'll do this. You're gonna sign up for their newsletter, and when they ask our opinion on the brush, you're gonna say that you like it, because this is gonna change the game of Cirque polishes. They already have a great formula, but that wide brush is just, it's gonna seal the deal for so many people. It's gonna make the polishes last longer because you need less coats because they just like apply better. It's a good thing, I promise. So make sure that you're subscribed to their stuff so you can definitely give your input on this wide brush situation. Now for a little story time. If you follow me, it was like just about a year ago, I think, that I went on camera for the first time. Why did I sound like I'm crying? On my birthday last year, which is the 19th, which should be tomorrow, the first ever brand contacted me wanting to work with me. And it was these guys. It was Cirque Colors. They sent me a thing on my birthday, and they were like, hey, do you want our little collection thing? And I was blown away, and just, I mean, it's been a whirlwind since then, and it's been so much fun. And it's just weird to think that only a year has passed and like so much has happened. But I'm just super thankful for you guys for watching, for Cirque for wanting to work with me, for just this whole experience. I love nail polish, so I'm really happy, and I guess that was like my little gushy moment. But I really enjoy doing this, and I'm excited to have a new little thing and just do some new stuff. So I'm excited, I'm happy. It's like summer 22, you guys, hey. Like I said, if you haven't, you should subscribe, because we have some more fun nail polish, swatching coming up. We have some mixing. We have like some new little stuff happening. So I don't think that you'll regret it if you hit that subscribe button. But I mean, bias, maybe, I don't know. It's me. I think that's gonna be it for this one today, though. I had such a great time filming these swatches and talking about these polishes with you. So I am excited to see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah, that looks better. Damn you, top button.
I'm just so happy about the polish.
Of course, the Cirque.
Once you